For a long, long time, I didn't believe.
What is this? Love? LaShawn, me love you. Who's LaShawn?
LaShawn, a girl in the States, man.
A girl in the States?
Yeah, man, she got bad.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, LaShawn. Okay, LaShawn, my cousin Wayne clearly loves you because he's here in Black River writing your name in the sand.
Oh, 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 love.
What's going on, guys? It's Duke back for another vlog. Right now I'm at Hallen Bamboo with my cousin Wayne. Say what's going on.
Hey, what's up?
I'll take care of you. You'll protect me, 'cause I'm not.
You might remember him from 2009. He was with me last time I was in Jamaica. But yeah, we're riding my bike down to Black River, and right now we're in Hallen Bamboo. Miles and miles of sugar cane. So this is where they had slavery, right? This is basically where the slaves were working. Some of them. Yeah, this is basically where the slaves would be working. That's what the slaves did in Jamaica. Sugar cane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to the doctor that gave me my Invisalign braces. You guys know I'm wearing braces. He's bringing me something, and it just turns out that my doctor actually has a house down here in Jamaica, so I'm going to go see him. I'll see you guys later. And we're back in Black River at my orthodontist's house. That's this house right here. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. He said he can't go in the water because of the crocodiles in the water. You can't even see like 3 feet into the water. You really can't see anything. We're back at my place right now, back at my apartment with my cousin. And I have a question I want to ask. I saw this thing online and it says a fake boyfriend will put a lock on his phone. A real boyfriend will say, "Hey baby, can you read that text message for me?"
Cut.
No, tell me. You don't agree with that?
There's no reason to hide phone, version. She must get looking at my phone and me looking at your phone. If not hide, nah.
I don't think I'm hiding anything, but I still wouldn't let anyone go check my text message. I have photos, pictures, and my bank accounts and all of that stuff. Even though I think you're only talking like that because you don't want girls to catch you or something like that.
No, man, it's just a joke. You get what I'm saying? Hold on a moment until I put my back by my back, you know.